Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video about Polestar Capital, I told you that in the next video we'll be doing a live withdrawal. So this is the video. I want to go ahead and make a live withdrawal and showing you guys how the process is like and what you need actually, and most importantly, how long does the money take to reflect on your account. So we're going to be doing that in this video. So you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and follow with me along. Like the video if you like. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So if you are looking to withdraw from Polestar Capital, just head over right here. But make sure you're signed in already. If you haven't created an account with them, I have the link in the video description where you can create an account. So what you need to do, just head over to dashboard right here. So you click on dashboard, and here your account page will appear. And as you can check in my previous video, as I showed you, I'm running a $50 investment, and currently I have 25 USD on my account. So as for demonstration purposes, just going to go ahead and withdraw some command and basically showing you guys how it is like right here. So just head over to this arrow right here before the logo, just hit there, and when you hit there, this dashboard will appear. So we just need to check on this withdraw drop down here. So when you tap there, go to withdraw. Okay, so this window will come. Now what you need to do, just hit on this select withdraw method right there. So there are a couple of withdraw methods that you can pretty much select from: mobile money, USDT, TRC20, and Bitcoin. So let's use mobile money, right? So this now will come, and just here put the amount. I'm going to put $10, and as you can see, the minimum that you can withdraw is $3. Maximum is 1 million. So the withdrawal charge is $3 right here. So the final amount will be 10.30. So go ahead and put your email there. So I'm going to put my email. Okay, so then now I'm going to go ahead and put my account information. So my account information will be my details, right? My mobile money number, that is my mobile money number, and then mobile money number, and then the names that your number is registered basically. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that, and +25. So make sure the number is correct, and go ahead and put the names that number is registered in. Okay, and after putting that, you can put any details right here, but I guess it's optional. Okay, after putting all the information and you've confirmed everything is okay, now just go ahead and hit on withdraw now, this button right here, this yellow button. So when you tap on withdraw now, okay, so you can see it says successfully. So let's wait and see how much time it takes for us to receive the payment, and I'll pause the video right now, so when it comes I should be able to update you guys and let you know how much time it took for it to appear on my account. Okay, well, so this is just like, I think 5 or 4 minutes ago since I posted the video, and right now I've just received this this message with Airtel Money cash deposit. And if I could open the message, you see it has just come in 1 minute, and the deposit of 37,000 has been made to my account right here. So if I can go back to this, actually, if I can go back to this, I can go to withdraw logs right here. So withdraw logs, you'll check this is a successful withdrawal of 10 USD, and it says success, right? So actually, to show you the proof, before I went on camera, I had done another withdrawal of 10 USD, and this was through Binance, and it also actually came in time. And just to show you that, when I go to my emails, here, you can see a Binance success deposit, right? This one of 9.99. So this is what I have for you guys today. At least I've received 2 different payments, and here's my account again. So here is my account again. So you can see from 25 that I had, I'm now left with 4.4 something. So I've at least withdrawn $20. You can see right here, I've withdrawn $20. So this is it, guys. So I have the link in the description through which you can use to join this platform, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye bye.